Good afternoon, friends. This is the outlook for 26th of April. What did the market do today? The market opened gap down and then quickly in the next 1 hour filled up the gap and reached 14,400. Thereafter, the market slumped back again by 30-40 points and then again clawed back to 14,400 and started approaching 14,500. Almost around levels of 14,460, the market started retreating and retreating quickly, and it reached a level of 14,275, where generally the market has taken support many times in the last few days, and then the market closed at around 14,340. My view, friends, is bearish for Monday, but please remember, the large players always play with your psyche. Last 2 Mondays have been black Mondays where the market has opened gap up and then showed decline whole of the day. But this Monday might be different. I am using the word might because market has many possibilities. Market, if it opens flat, you need to see the price action for 1 hour to see what is the market trying to do. Is it making lower lows in the first 1 hour? Then in that case you can safely short a call. But in case, friends, the market opens gap down, for which I think the possibilities are more, then in that case do not immediately short a call, because I have a feeling that the larger players, when they know that 90% of retail investors feel the situation is bad and the market will go down, that is the time such players prop up the market to upper levels, and that can make you bleed if you are a call or put buyer. If you on an impulse buy a put and or you buy a call, you can, on either positions you can be on loss, because after opening gap down, if the market recovers, then your put premium will go, and in case it starts making lower lows and tries to breach 14,000, which is also a distinct possibility, then in that case your call premium can go. So you need to observe the market for 1 hour to see what is the market doing. Is it making higher lows and slowly going up, or is it making lower lows and slowly going down? In case of lower lows, you can take a put on a very small time frame with strict stop loss and keep trailing it. Exit the position in short time, and on the same way, if it starts moving up, buy a call, put a stop loss on a smaller time frame and try to exit quickly. Why you should try to exit quickly is because the market is very volatile, very choppy. It can move either ways and you may not make profit. In case of call writers, if the market starts making lower lows after the first 1 hour, then you can safely short 14,600 call. Why I am suggesting 14,600 is because today the max pain is around 14,500, and the large players, knowing fully well the psyche of small traders, may give a positive surprise on Monday after opening it gap down. So friends, the coronavirus situation will also be watched for the next 2 days, and if it gets worse, then in that case the larger players may take a decision to drop the market sharply, and in that case you may really not be able to ascertain the trend unless you see the first 1 hour price action. So friends, now the government has given facility for vaccination to 18 plus people also from 1st of May. Would request each one of you to get vaccinated as soon as possible, as the situation of coronavirus second wave is not looking very good. Hope you be safe. Thank you very much.